Hey there guys, Gaming Max here. Welcome back to Gmod Prop Hunt. So let's fucking do it. I'm gonna sneak up on him. I'm right over here, you dumbass. Oh, who are you? Don't know, fuck you. Run, run, fuck! Don't stop, run, jump! Go down, go down, go down, go fucking fuck! He killed me! Fuck off! Okay, let's hunt some fishes. You come with me! Let's hunt fishes! Where are the exit? Over here. Let's go! Whoa! What the fuck happened? Don't know. This looks suspicious. Fuck off! Nope. Let's win! I think it's this fish over here. It's you? No, it's not him. He's not on water. I don't think so. It's not him! Fuck off! Knocking everything out! Put everything on the water! Come on, pick it up! Go to the water! Can it float? No, it can't. You! It's you! No, it's not him. I think he's over there. It's you! Sorry. What? I thought I saw something move. I guess not. Let's go indoor. I can go in here? No, I can't. Fuck. So he must be... You got him? You got him? Yo! Flashlight! Flashlight to me if you got him. I guess not. It's you! Ah, I can't... Damn it, I can't shoot underwater. If I was a stupid prop, where will I be? Two things... Yeah, looks pretty right. Looks okay. Everything's good over here. But maybe something... Whoa! Something wrong over here. Let's see. Yo! Stupid fish! Stupid fish! Fuck off! Flashlight your eyes! Flashlight your head ball! Your how you say it? Don't know! Fucking hell. Oh, bike! I want a bike. I have a bike! Woohoo! Woohoo! Go to the water. Yay! Look at that stupid shark. How is... What? We won? Woo! Let's hide. Let's hide. I wanna be... Get out of the way. I wanna be a cone. I mean, now I changed. Let's knock this cone. I wanna grab it. Go the fuck... No! 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 Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Fuck! Let's go down. Let's go down. I don't have any time. Become a fish. Become a box. That's okay too. Can I become the fish? No, I can't. Alright. They'll never find me. I'm okay. I am not okay. I am not okay. Go up. He killed me. Oh, look at me floating. I can fly. Kind of. Fuck. I know I can shoot under water, but... Oh, let's kill him! Kill! Shoot! I got one! Woo! I'm the best. Which one of these fishes is a true man? Something's wrong with this fish! You! I guess it's not underwater. You! Fuck, damn it! It's really... That's suspicious. I can't shoot it. Fuck! Where he could be? There! Go! Get in! Close the door! Now you trap here with me. You! Grab this and knock everything out. You. No, not you. You. No. Can I go up there? Nope, I can't. Fuck. Wait. No, I can't. Fuck, god damn it. Where the fuck are they? Where the fuck they are? Can I go up here? No, I can't. Maybe it's one of the chairs. Fuck off. Fuck off. You bitch. Something wrong here. Something came under the water. Nope. I thought something jumped to the water. I was mistaken. Fuck off! And fuck off. Fuck! Oh, fuck you! Fuck you in your box hole. Fuck off! Stay away from my body! Stupid ass bitch! Fuck! I'm gonna kill the son of a bitch that killed me. Where is he? You! Got him! Got him too! Oh, I'm the greatest there is. Everything here looks normal. 1v1? What does he mean? Alright, I guess I'm against someone. Saw something on the water! I need to switch to a crowbar. You look. It's you! No, it's not. Fuck! I need to see something suspicious. Like a fish that doesn't move. Something like that! No, it's moving. Damn it. Where he could be. That chair not supposed to be there. But it's not someone, I guess someone pushed it down. So it's you! Oh yeah! Oh, I'm the greatest! I actually didn't think it's him! Seriously! That was a big... He's saying what the fuck? Fuck you! That's... Actually, I wanna be a box. Let's be a box. Anyway, let's be up here. That's not look weird, right? Grab this. Fuck! And now that's look really suspicious. Now I'm good. They'll never find me. No. How is he know it's me? How? Tell me how? Get away from me! Get up! Oh, fuck. Damn it. Well, guys, that's it for Gmod prop hunt. I know I did play for, and I know the video is short, but as I already told you guys, it's pretty much play this alone. Boring. It's boring to play this alone. So I'm sorry about that. Well, I really hope you like that. If you do, click the like button, leave a comment, feel free to share it with your friends, and feel free to subscribe. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye!